I chose to do my prototype using the website Edmondo. And what Edmondo is mock Facebook for education. What you do is you create your own profile as a teacher. You can put your schedule on it. You can put your educational background. What I like is that I can have my school's website on here and whatever link that I choose to add to them so that the kids can go find whatever I'm asking them to look for. Um, when you hit the home button, when it loads, you'll find that you can type and post just like you would as you would on Facebook. Um, you create your own classes. You manage. You can join. You can merge if you needed to. But what I can do here is I can post, say, my bell ringer for the day, and all my kids from class, my 7-9 class, are able to post back. I'm able to put assignments on here. I'm able to lock it after a certain date, which is amazing, and add it to gradebook. Same with quizzes and a poll if I'm trying to see what my kids know, some informative assessment. You have different folders. You have your members, which are my students. So, of course, they're not on there yet. I'm able to set up a calendar, and I set it up for last week, and I put the week's agenda on there. I'm not quite sure what they see, only what I see, so I need to mess with it from a student's point of view also, but that'll come. They have a what's due button. I can put what I've reviewed on there so that they can see what they've gotten, progress for each of my classes. I can personally message them. I get notifications just like on Facebook if a student were to respond to something, post something, or upload. My favorite part is the library. And if it works, there we go. What I've been doing is going through everything that we've covered so far. And we work off the Holt lit textbook, and I've downloaded everything onto my computer for each short story, poem, anything that we're doing in the workbook. And I've uploaded it onto here, which is amazing because then I can just tell the kids, okay, we're working with this short story, say the Amigo Brothers, this week. Everything that you need will be found on Edmondo. So say a kid was absent on Tuesday, and Tuesday we did the reading check. They're able to go click on it. They have their questions. I'm going to try to work with a digital or a virtual binder, meaning they can download everything, type right into here just like a Word document, upload it and save it, and then hook it into Edmondo that I can check their work, send it back to them. They can save it and everything's digital so they can access everything from back home. What's nice about Edmondo is when you click on a short story or whatever link that I have for an uploaded material, it opens in another tab. So they're not going back and forth through Edmondo and possibly losing it. Let's see. The home button. The home button has an app management system, and you're able to actually upload lesson plans and search for lesson plans for all different grades. And I mean, really anything you're looking for education wise for them through different teachers, different countries, different grades, subjects. Let's see. Go back. I'm able to connect to other teachers. And what I plan to do, I actually started talking to my department about using Edmondo next year. That way everybody's on the same page, and I can connect with my team so that all of our library is synced. We're able to share things, message each other through here, have our students be able to message and discuss things, as well as connect to teachers elsewhere. So as you can see here, Mrs. Marsh was actually a teacher in the school that I worked in Virginia, and because she uses Edmondo, I'm able to connect to Mrs. Marsh and hold discussion or post back and forth. So that's nice that you have that type of unity. It does go by school, so everything's kind of separated. Not just any student can connect to what you're doing, and you have to connect them through yourself by creating a class and managing and joining people to your class. I plan to use this as a means for a grant and try to get each English department or each teacher in the English department their own set of class computers. I'm looking at a $30,000 grant right now. So if I can't get that to pass where I can use this in the classroom on the daily basis, say for the bell ringer, I plan to use this to keep updated with students at home and post so that parents can see, post that students can see when they're not here, and have all their materials there so there's no excuse for, I didn't get it. Yes, you did. It's in Edmondo. I'll be adding everything that we do this year to my Edmondo so that next year it's ready to rock and roll.